Okay, we will answer this one. If written in standard form, what are the values of A, B, and C in the equation? 2x equals 4 times negative y plus 5. Okay, since yung standard form natin ay ax plus by equals c. So, ang gagawin natin dito sa ating equation, kopyahin muna natin yan 2x equals, i-distribute natin si 4 times negative y. So, magiging negative 4y. Then, 4, i-multiply natin kay 5, that is positive 20. Or 4 times 5 is 20. So, sundin natin yung ating standard form. So, 2x. So, from negative 4y, transpose natin yan to the left side. So, magiging plus 4y equals 20. So, ito na yung value ng ating A, value ng B, tsaka value ng ating C. Or A is positive 2, B is positive 4, and C is positive 20. So, sa choices natin, letter D is the correct answer.